Is that still the left side?
Fly dragging, yeah.
Oh, no, look at then he moved over to the left.
Yeah. And he back to the place.
No.
Just a little bit more to the right, like about 6 feet.
Right, I'm just getting warm. I know you guys have been casting here all morning.
You see a good one?
Tough to not drag.
If you see a big one, then I'll cast next, huh? Is it a problem?
Oh. Okay, wrong side.
Sí, sí, la estoy dejando descansar. That's good stuff.
Oh. Do you see where he's coming up, Scott?
I can see him. What? I can see him.
Yeah, I can see the body
Right
from here.
Yeah.
I can't see him.
Are you videoing?
Where is he?
Right next to that foam line.
It's the left side of the phone line.
And those trees there. Those willows dead.
I've got it stuck in all the places where there's a phone line, basically. Let's see if I see this guy. Oh, did you see him?
Yeah, I like him right there because he's not as supposed to look.
Yeah, he's like tailing. Don't cast right on him, you know. You want to cast beyond him.
Oh, that one is good. The brownie over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can save him for me. Okay, here he comes.
Okay, let's see here.
Too much line, eh? Be careful.
Oh, come on.
Ah, stupid fish.
That wasn't a bad cast.
That was perfect.
What's the matter?
Oh, it's hooked.
Over itself?
Come undone.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
where are we going to cast it now?
Near the window, same place.
No.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's a nice one. Come on, be there. Be there.
Where is he right now? Sometimes he goes back a little ways. I can't see it.
Oh. My fishes are calling over there.
Do you see him?
Hook it! Good one! Good one! Good one! God, do you see him come out of the water?
Yeah!
Do you see him come out of the water? Let's see if he jumps. Can you hold him? Let's see if he jumps now. Whoa!
Yeah!
Keep his head up. Keep his head up, Scott. He's going to jump again, I'm sure.
Try and pull him to the left or not?
I can't find your line here. Here we go.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, baby! Keep his head up, Scott.
Woo! Yeah!
Keep his head up.
He's strong.
Oh!
Trying to shake the fly.
I think he's almost as big as that one I had on a minute ago. Look at him in the water there. Wow,
Look at
that's
the
so
size.
cool.
Oh, look at that guy.
Little rainbow, huh?
A little
I
rainbow?
wouldn't call that little.
It's a little rainbow.
Padre.
Let's see. I can't see. I want to see the fish.
Wow.
Let's see him in the water, Scott.
Alright, we don't want to horse him too much, you know? We want to get ourselves a picture.
I think you got him foul. I think you got him foul hook. Oh.
You guys like to let him fight, huh? A little bit?
Wow, that's nice.
The cameraman's gonna be all out of film.
Scott, let's give it. What happened there? How'd you get him?
You know, I just tossed it right up above his nose where he was feeding, and he just slurped it. Now I've been tiring him out.
He's been fooled, huh?
He's about ready. All right.
Nice. Beautiful fish, huh?
Got a picture.
Beautiful
Five.
fish.
He threw it over my head.
Yep.
Oh, he got my fly here.
The other one?
Yep, look at.
That's funny.
From today?
No, from the other day.
Huh. Okay, don't drop him, Scott.
All right.
This is my other fly from the other day.
This guy needs some air or what?
Maybe you should let him take the picture before you take the hook out.
Yeah, we'll get down in the water a little bit.
Oh no!
All right, come on, just take the picture.
Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Just a minute, just a minute.
Dad.
Just a minute. I'm getting a little...
Dad.
Just a second.
It.
Hold it, hold him. Did you get him on the trailer or the fly?
I don't know. I think the big fly. His mouth came out of the water.
Keep that head up. Come on upstream here a little bit.
We'll learn more instructions when we keep the head up. Ooh, yeah. Come on, baby. Ooh.
See a nice one?
Yeah.
Brown? Bring him up here where we can see him. The cameraman is fixed right now.
Oh, it is a rainbow.
Oh, it's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Keep that line tight.
It's a brown.
Is it?
Yeah. Nice brownie.
Now what a pretty river this is. So you're getting hits all out in there in that green water. Wow.
The water is very good.
Okay, work him in, Scott.
Really sore farm.
Oh, it's a big brown.
Yeah.
It's gonna turn into.
Look at that mouth.
Scott, I can't see him.
Yeah, you gotta get up and get over here. When you fish in the water,
Dad, come on over. We'll get a picture.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Like that fish, huh?
yeah. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Wow. See what
Whoa. Look at that guy. Holy
Come over my right side.
Oh my God.
You don't have the dropper.
Look at that guy. The nice one, Scott?
Yeah.
Just a minute, I'm just getting a little video right now.
All right.
Okay. Wonder what the length is on that puppy. What'd you get him on?
Still videoing?
Yeah.
Big stimulator here.
Oh, good. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture now. Oh. Well, here we are in Argentina. Wouldn't be right without experiencing a downpour. Here's our guide. Woo! Adrian, it's raining pretty hard, but he's worried about the graphite rods. What do you think about the graphite? Are you going with a heavy jacket today, huh?
I'm gonna try and stay dry.
It's about 85.
How easy to do.
Huh. You hooked into some nice ones.
Maybe we land one with this rain.
That'd be nice. Hook a few, you know? Well, let's go get them. Got something on, Scott.
Got a little something.
Woo!
Up there in that soft water on the right.
Did ya?
Rainbow. Bring him in.
You see him? Oh, you took him on the nymph.
Yeah.
Wow. See that fish?
See this guy?
Whoa, he's beautiful.
Woo!
Beautiful. Get a little picture?
Yeah, let's
His mom would say, tell me about it. How'd you get it?
Wait, are you?
Yeah.
Well, you know, the guide told me to go up in the riffle, and I kind of decided to go right first. And this guy just took the nymph right up.
Right off the bat?
Yeah, it must be this new rain, you know?
Wow, I haven't had a thing yet. Uh-oh, don't lose him. So way to keep him on that hook.
Yeah.
He's a nice looking fish. What is
hold
it? Maybe 15, you think? No, I won't hold this one, but... Okay, let's get a few snapshots now.
Okay.
You got hooked? You got one on.
Got one on.
Little nymphing, huh?
It was my new guide. Yep.
Rainbow? Rainbow? Oh, baby, that's a nice one.
Yes.
Huh?
Let's bring her in.
You know, that would have been mine if I'd gotten mine in the... It's a
Bring her to
nice
the
looking
shore.
fish. Careful now. Whoa, that's a nice looking fish.
What are you talking about?
Huh? Wow.
Yeah, I mean, that's a... Let's get the tape measure out. Oh, look at that.
It's beautiful.
Woo! He's got a little... Yeah.
Beautiful. Just a moment. You like that? Let's see. I mean, pretty. Let's see the fly you got in. Look at that guy. Oh my God. Okay, just a minute. We're going to get ourselves a little snapshot.
Tape measure.